The Zika virus, with its genus name of flavivirus, consists of a capsid protein coat and RNA. The Zika virus was first discovered in monkeys in 1947. It got its name from the Zika forest in Uganda.
The first case of a Zika virus in a human was in 1952. The first confirmed case of Zika virus was in May of 2015 in Brazil.
The Zika virus can be found in Africa, Southeast Asia, Pacific Islands, South America, and basically anywhere the Aedes mosquito is. In Venezuela, health officials estimated 400,000 possible cases of the Zika virus in the country. In Brazil, there were 150 cases of microcephaly. More than 4,100 babies were born with the condition since October.
Zika affects mainly African and Latin American countries. The Zika virus is passed through mosquitoes, so the more tropical areas are the most affected, considering the mosquitoes live in tropical environments.
The Zika virus is spread through the bites of infected mosquitoes. The virus enters the mosquito from the blood of an infected human. It is believed to work like arboviruses. The mosquito becomes infected and passes the virus to the human through the salivary glands of the mosquito. The virus goes into the human blood. This virus replicates inside the human. It appears to undergo the lytic cycle. The cell bursts and the replicated viruses break out.
The virus is passed on to the next sting, the mosquito bites. The Zika virus can also be transmitted through sexual contact or even from a mother to child. There is also a theory that it can be transmitted through blood transfusions.
Most commonly, there are little to no symptoms of the Zika virus. Most people do not know they even have it. It goes away within a few days to a week unless it is a severe case. If there are symptoms, the most popular tend to be headaches, fever, rash, joint or muscle pain, and red eyes.
In rare cases, it can cause death. Recently, it has been thought to cause microcephaly, which is a condition in which a baby's head is smaller than expected because the brain stops growing. This has been occurring in babies whose mothers had the Zika virus while pregnant. However, the Zika virus has been proven to be the cause of microcephaly.
Another rare symptom that is not proven to be from the Zika virus but somehow linked is the Guillain-Barré syndrome. This is when the nervous cells are attacked and weaken, eventually causing the patient to become paralyzed.
Pregnant women and their babies are at risk. Also, anyone who has recently traveled to the countries where there have been cases of Zika virus or are traveling to those countries. There are precautions one can take to prevent the virus, such as wearing long pants and shirts, using screens and air conditioning, and finally, the most important is wearing insect repellent when outside.
There is currently not a vaccine or cure for the Zika virus, but they are in the making. Studies have shown Tylenol to help with symptoms like fever and pain. Rest also helps.